Hi, I'm Dr. Brad Hulsebus, and I want to welcome you to Hulsebus Rockford Chiropractic Clinic. Our clinic started back in 1949 by my grandfather, Dr. Bob Hulsebus, then my father, and now me. I'd like to take a quick minute and show you around the office. Let's come right over here to our front desk area.
Hi, welcome. I'm Erica. We are happy to check insurance benefits and Medicare, and we also use electronic health records so we can stay in contact with your other providers.
Great, let's go down the hall here and I'll show you some more. Here's one of our standard rooms.
I'm Dr. Nate Hayes, and this is one of our standard chiropractic adjusting tables, which we can raise or lower to help fit patients of all different heights and sizes. And we can also take care of patients who are pregnant. This allows the patient to have a more comfortable experience on the table.
And then right in here, we have another type of adjusting room.
Hi, I'm Dr. Josh Bourbon, and this room is a little bit bigger than a standard room. We use this to accommodate families. And while mom and dad are getting adjusted over here, the kids can have a little playtime over here. And we also adjust the kids when they're done playing.
And then right in here is our x-ray exam room.
Hello, my name is Dr. Craig Steer Jr. Welcome to the X-ray room, where we have an in-office digital X-ray system to help us find things that could be contributing to your problems.
And I'd like to thank you for taking a minute to come see our office. If you have any questions or problems, don't hesitate to give us a call or leave a comment below and we'll get back to you as quick as we can. Thank you.